Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about DevOps. Now, before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe, help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can do giveaways for you guys. So we can do that like every month, or at least, like every 6 months. But at least we can do something for you guys so you can win something instead of just sitting here and not getting nothing. So, but you still getting information on technology, but at the same time you can win something that you can actually touch. You feel me? But hey, let's just get into the video. So today we're gonna be talking about DevOps. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but we're talking about DevOps, a technology that is changing the IT industry. Okay, and DevOps, right, it helps with the performance and agility, and for it sounds like it is supposed to be changing how things are run or how things are done. Okay, so what is DevOps and how does it work? DevOps is a development and operation collaboration, and it's a union of process, people, and working products that enables continuous integration and continuous delivery of value to our end users, so the people or the customers technically, right? DevOps accelerates the process to deliver applications and software services at high speed and high velocity. So DevOps helps with the acceleration or the speed of delivering applications and software with high speeds or high velocity to technically where you don't actually have to worry about it buffering or even slowing down. Okay, now DevOps, right, it is used with Amazon and Netflix and other big businesses out there, and I bet you 100%, actually no, never mind, but I'm for sure that these businesses, the big businesses like Netflix, Amazon, and other businesses like them are using DevOps to help produce or help their applications and other things along that be faster to the customers, so they don't put bad reviews in for them. Now DevOps, right? DevOps, I don't know if I'm saying that right. It just seems like I'm saying it wrong. But DevOps is used as DevOps is described as a culture and a set of processes that brings development and operation teams together to complete software development. And on top of that, it allows organizations to create and improve products at a faster pace than they can with traditional software development approaches. So it helps with the operation team to come together and complete software development or software faster than normal. It helps them be able to do it faster and help them to do it at a faster pace than normally doing with other software. Now, people say, is DevOps a technology? And before I don't remember, but I think before in the beginning of this video, I told you that it is a technology. And a lot of other people might say, no, it's not technology, it's just a culture of IT. Well, it could be both. Okay, but DevOps is helping the IT community, and it is also helping these businesses be able to produce and give their customer a experience that they won't ever get with some other companies, or they're trying to have their customer give them higher ratings, and their businesses is going to be out there to the world, and that other people who have not used their company or have not ordered or used the application within their company, are able to say, okay, this company is good because the application is fast, it's instant, and I don't have to experience buffering, or I don't have to experience any delay with the software or any problem with the software. Now, for DevOps, it helps with the organization to the ability to deliver application and services at a high velocity, and at the same time, it helps with the IT team to be able to work on the actual software faster than normal. Now, in my opinion, I think that DevOps will be actually, as of right now, it's already a big thing, but I think in the future, mostly almost every single company out there, unless you're just starting your business, will actually have or going to have to use DevOps in their company, depending on the type of company and if you just starting. Now, in my opinion, I think DevOps is actually going to help and benefit businesses in the future, and that it's going to change how we use applications and how we how we actually use the user interface and applications that the companies are giving to us. And I think, in my opinion, that it actually is beneficial, and that if you're looking to actually do a career for DevOps, it might actually be a good thing. I don't know. I didn't actually do my research on that, but you can actually do the research. But from here, in my opinion, I think DevOps is going to be a thing in the future, or it's going to be more popular in the future. As of right now, it is, but in the future, I think it's going to be more popular, and that it's going to have more jobs opportunity. You know, it's going to have a lot of jobs in it, and on top of that, it's also going to help the companies to be able to give their customer an experience that they never had before. So that's all I got for you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and share. Make sure you hit that notification button so you get all our videos on technology, so you actually get the knowledge and understanding that all the technology that's out there, even the ones that you don't know and the ones that you do know. But still, make sure that you subscribe, so you make sure that you subscribe. Help us out, because you don't want to miss any of these videos to make you more knowledgeable in technology. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.